Okay, let's talk about UV packing. If you create a UV, for example, such as these things with cubic 2 or any other cubic, any other set from UV projection, you can use it, for example, automatic UV and packed. You can see it does jobs well. But if you previously create an UV and you don't want to automatically UV it by hand and you want to pack them, we want to, for example, pack them one piece of the UV and does not waste the UV texture. You can see it's not good, and we want to, for example, we have a lot of other tools here and we want to create UV. It does not wasting the UV space, but we want to pack them, put them together, and the space in between. You can use UV packing. Rasterize, if you have a lots of islands and you want to pack them, use the rasterize. If you know the texture size, if output 1K, 2K, you can use them. Overlap identical island and overlap mirror island. I explained it before in a UV automatic. You can refer, just apply, and you can see there's in this case the rasterize does not go with job. It stretch everything and something like this. So, but if you go to the geometric, it does its jobs well. You have to try and it has the mathematical things behind them, but you have to test which model you want. Best model, and it's a geometric. If a texture space, if your output texture that you want to use, you can set it 1K, 2K, or you can set it based on spacing between the island that you want. Again, you can preserve the orientation. In this case, untick that to allow the software orient the object and pack them. Stretch the feet if you want, you can. The most important is equalize island size. It's nice because it's automatically define the size of the UV based on your 3D model. For example, this is small and this is big, and it's automatically resized for you. And it should be bigger than, for example, these parts. Again, overlap identical island and overlap mirror object. Just do it. And now you can see it's packed nicely for you, and you can make it spacing a little bit. And now you can see it's packed better. So some UV packing, you can do it by yourself. Or based on the bounding box. For example, we have an object here. For example, this object has a bounding box like this, a square at the border of that, and it's packing. For example, if you want to pack selected UV, you can select them and use all of this automatic UV, automatic packing. If you deselect everything, these commands act for all of the UVs. You can see it's based on the bounding box it's creating for you. It's based on the bound and stretch and small object. But the best thing is geometry. But we don't use enough in the UV pack because automatic UV in the packed does everything nice and smooth for us. It's better than UV packing. So it's here, but you can use it. And that's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.